welcome to Kitty's Mama. My name is Emma.
I'm Jonah.
And I'm Noah.
And that's Micah. And today we're going to be doing a Krispy Kreme advent calendar.
And if you haven't ever heard of Krispy Kreme, who are you? We're going to be opening up 16 compartments full of Krispy Kreme donuts.
You must be alien if you don't know what Krispy Kreme is.
So let's go.
Smash that like button. Thanks.
Smash that like button.
Thanks for contributing.
And also
If you like this
subscribe
video.
to our channel.
This is a Reese's Pieces peanut butter donut, I think.
Fascinating.
This is their monthly special. They only have this month.
It's not Halloween. Why does it have Halloween colors?
Is that one donut store local?
What? Wow.
My Reese's Pieces. I liked it. 'Twas good.
It was really good.
Oh my goodness, it's a
Peanut
regular yeah. It's a regular glazed donut.
That
My
was
favorite.
Usually I put them in the microwave for 8 seconds so they're nice and soft.
Usually I eat them because I kind of like the little crispiness whenever they sit in the box for a while and the frosting kind of.
Usually Noah eats them all in one night
Yeah.
and leaves none for the rest of us.
Cake donuts are great. Okay, let me move on. Number 3.
Those are the donuts.
Wonderful. I just
I
said
like
I love
those.
cake donuts.
Oh, I love those donuts.
I got the best donut.
like small.
Wait. This one's the chocolate one. I like the blueberry ones, but the chocolate one's also really good.
Hey, can I get a water?
I don't know, can you?
No. Thank you.
Delicious. I love cake donuts. They're good.
I like these ones. I don't like the ones that are too much.
Okay.
They're super dense.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, almost.
Oh my gosh, number 4 has some sort of secret. Oh my gosh, wait, hold on. Nope. I got a Krispy Kreme mug. I thought it was gonna be an apple fritter.
It's not made out of glass. It's made out of plastic. It's a truck.
Micah likes it.
Micah has it now.
I was hoping it was an apple fritter because that's what I get every time.
Wow.
That actually is truckception. I mean, like, imagine if trucks and dreams. That's on. It's number 5, which is
Cinco in French.
it's cinque in French. Not cinco. That's in Spanish.
Ooh, yum. I remember that.
Wow. Cool.
I love it. It's amazing. 10 out of 10.
Oh, great.
All right, this is number 6.
Which is cease.
Wow, it's a cup. Look at all these special donuts.
Whoa, one of them's a pumpkin.
Number 7.
Fun.
Ooh, I like this.
Ooh, it's
Apple.
I don't know. Hold on.
Apple cream filling.
Strawberry. That's a lot of powdered sugar.
Apple.
No, chocolate.
What?
It's like a chocolate something filled donut.
It's a chocolate eclair.
Eclair's something different.
Eclair's not that. But close enough.
I don't
Not
like,
really.
I don't like the filled donuts, but I'll eat like some of the jelly ones. You
It's
know.
a chocolate filled.
Pretty good.
Number 8, which is wheat in French. Not rambling. I am intrigued.
It looks like it's probably lemon filling.
So it looks like they have some like breadcrumbs, yeah?
Breadcrumbs is what I was.
Yeah, look. Like breadcrumbs. I'm really interested.
I think it's a lemon cream. You know.
It's cream filled, that's for sure.
It is a banana cream with the wafer, with those vanilla wafers in the inside.
Wow.
I have no hint of banana in there, but I do get the vanilla wafers. Oh, that's amazing. It tastes really good. It's really good.
Wow.
Go order it.
All right, number 9.
Nice.
Oh, heck yeah. Would you look at that? It's the best donut there is out there. This is a blueberry cake donut.
Wow.
That was my first guess.
Very good, very tasty.
We'll call it a blueberry muffin.
It's not a muffin though.
I mean, you don't eat blueberry cake. Have you ever heard of blueberry cake?
Well, I'm eating one right now. The best donut, favorite donut, it's really good.
What is Micah doing?
Everything about it is great. 10 out of 10 donut.
Micah's over there putting donut chunks into a mug and then dumping out his cup.
Okay. Number 10. This time, it's filled with what looks to be strawberry filling. Let's give it a bite ski.
Strawberry filling.
Really good.
This was a good episode.
Well,
Number
great.
11. Here we go.
Pretty sure everyone knows what.
This is a ring-shaped piece of dough that has been dipped in a fryer, and then it's topped with a couple sprinkles. All right,
A few more.
Some I'm talking about me. Number 12. Which this is the donut that Noah just bought.
Oh my god. Should have planned that better.
Oh, what is this? This looks like
big
a donut.
That's no donut. That's not a.
That's no donut I've ever seen.
I am truly sorry.
Is that peanut butter?
Oh yeah, just peanut butter. It's good.
Oh.
Oh!
That makes
I get it
Oh, that's
now.
what you
Good
said.
job, Krispy Kreme. Great job preparing it.
Now I get it.
That makes sense.
That's a good meme right there.
It literally does look like a peanut.
Looks like a nice peanut. Tastes like it's good.
Okay. Number 13. I think this is the apple one, so I do like this one.
I am intrigued.
Wow.
That's what it is.
An apple
It's like a
donut.
jelly-filled apple donut.
Number 14, which I think is Couture's and French. Is this the same as the first one?
Yes.
Yeah.
What?
I'm interested.
Now, what the darn?
This seems too much, but
It is a whole lot. Kind of reminds me of a local donut place.
this is way too much flavor, way too much pow. But
Way too much
really good.
pizzazz.
If
Not
you
enough
love-
fanfare.
If you love peanut butter,
It's like I can taste the food truck.
you a little secret. This is the best donut for you if you love peanut butter.
All right, number 15. There's no joke to be made here. That meme is dead.
We already did Burger King, so
What is this?
Looks like a donut.
French.
Oh wow! Look, it's strawberry.
Turn up the exposure. I think that's cherry. The one I had earlier was strawberry.
Yeah, this is cherry.
Strawberry was better. Sorry, cherry, but the
I don't think there
strawberry.
is a cherry.
Maybe raspberry.
Oh, perhaps.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
raspberry. I like raspberry. Good donut. I don't really like filled donuts that much, but it's good.
I like the artificial cherry taste and the artificial grape taste. What do you think of those two?
I like them
Comment
too.
down below.
I'm just saying.
Now, grape flavoring doesn't taste like grape, but it sure does taste like purple.
That's the taste of purple right there. If you're blind, taste grape. There you go.
That's what purple is. The definition of purple is grape.
The grape
Oh
flavor.
my gosh, I got a beautiful, glistening child. This is a chocolate glazed donut. Favorite donut was the classic one that I didn't eat, but I know that one's my favorite.
I really like the blueberry cake one, of course.
My favorite one was definitely this bad boy.
The glazed one, but this one's better.
Which one was your favorite?
Comment down below what your favorite donut from Krispy Kreme is, and what other app encounters you'd like us to see. Thanks for tuning in to this lovely episode.
We eat food for a really long time, and we try to avoid monetization issues.
Be sure to click that like button if you liked it, and subscribe and do all that stuff if you enjoyed.
Hit the bell, and hopefully it'll work. Thank you for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, post on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Bye bye.
See you next time, YouTube.